Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. Buying out of control can be a psychological disorder. It seems common. After all, who never went through the situation of buying something that they knew didn't fit in the budget, right? However, the habit of buying impulsively and complicating financial health can be an emotional health disorder as well. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss other incredible tips like this one. Oniomania, a personality and emotional disorder, is part of impulse disorders and generates absolute pleasure in the act of buying without necessarily having the object conquered as a focus. The disorder affects about 7% of the world's population and is responsible for an uncontrolled disorganization in finances, which yields other emotional and physical health problems as well. The compulsive act is strongly related to the desire to fill emotional voids, generating contentment in momentary and, most of the time, unnecessary acquisitions. However, the satisfaction produced by the purchase does not last long and, in a short period, another one is made to continue the cycle. Know the symptoms of the disorder. Contracting debts that you know you cannot pay. Insistent acquisition of unnecessary items, often repeated. Deciding to go shopping to feel happy without any specific needs or desires. Loans made to satisfy consumption. Hiding expenses incurred during the month and complicating effective relationships due to excess expenses. Consequent social distancing. In most cases, psychological help is needed. However, the exercise of self-control can help people with the pathology and those who do not have it as well. Check out 3 tips for exercising self-control when shopping. Tip 1. Restrict the use of your credit card and current account limit, overdraft. These products should only be used in emergency situations. Tip 2. Plan your expenses. Know exactly how much is available for each activity during your month and do not exceed this amount. Tip 3. Talk to the family about the monthly budget so that everyone contributes to the organization of bills and is committed to financial well-being. If you feel that you don't have the control to make the changes, seek psychological help for your financial and emotional well-being. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.